The video has started.
So, guys, I'm going to show you Montana's picture because he's sick at it. And tell them what it's about.
The odd ones out. Fan art. My channel. My I'm 16 already have an episode on it. But that's one's different.
Mr. Ducky is squeaking at you and says, smash that like button and subscribe. Bye, Ducky. So, I got this.
He's my friend.
He landed!
Of course it lands. It lands
his name is Mr. Duck.
Bro.
So today, I'm pairing. What?
Let's do a cool video.
Well, people show like stuff.
Yeah, but we gotta do a cool video. Like one like this.
This is cool. It's pointy, it's toppy, it's pointy, it's toppy, it's pointy, it's a toppy, it's pointy, it's a pointy, it's a toppy, it's a toppy. What are you doing?
Sorry, guys. Something's wrong with me. No, I think I have a cold. But I got my vaccine.
I can't land it. Oh, who cares about that thing? So, do you know like fidget spinners?
We hate fidget spinners. We don't hate them.
Swords.
Well, hate is just.
And
hey, we like those.
And puppies.
I'm leaving the gangster cool kids. You just said you hate weapons and puppies.
That you guys don't like those stuff. But
I think I have rabies. Man.
But have you ever heard of the measuring tape? It can go all the way along. But have you ever heard the old ones? The old ones.
I think I have rabies. I had a dream where I was petting a guinea pig, and then he started biting me with whiskers. And then my mom was in my dream. She was like, "Don't worry about it. It's okay." And I'm like, I'm pretty sure I have rabies. I'm pretty sure that was a rat in real life. I'm scared of one of those rats.
Don't worry about it.
I think I do. I'm going to the doctors. Let's find out.
This can like, just imagine this is a rainbow. Now through that rainbow like an elephant spear, like this.
You're talking like one of the goddesses in mythology.
I'm the god, and you die.
God doesn't say that, and that was mythology. That wasn't real. Bruh.
I'm trying to see if I can make a fort.
Whoa, your screen's cracked.
Yeah. Somebody stepped on it. I heard that.
Of course.
I'm gonna go get my rubber ducky friend.
You mean my friend?
Comment below. Who's your favorite? A puppy
or
ducky?
Puppy or ducky?
We're gonna give you a little hint. Let's go.
Am I supposed to end the video? No. Okay.
Now you had plenty of time, so now
you could have paused the video.
I'm gonna show you 2 fidget spinners that are the sickest, most raddest things. I'll be right there. I'll be right back.
Intermission. Please pause the video. This is intermission. Have a good time. You can use the restroom.
So, the first fidget spinner is this weird looking one. It goes slow, but people get sick by these.
So, that's out of hype anyways.
But there's 2 fidget spinners that I like. What are you doing? Smash it! Smash it! This is how a real man does it. Show the fidget spinner.
Holy dang.
It's not breaking. Wait, I think one's coming out.
Hey, you should like use it like, I'm gonna pitch it to you. And you're gonna destroy it.
Hurry up! Strike one! Let's go! Buddy! What was that?
Strike one!
Dude, that was not even a strike. That was a ball.
Sorry. Baseball with a fidget spinner.
Hurry up! What the heck? That's a...
You know, just throw the thing. Dang!
Oh, fidget spinner. Hey, yo, fidget spinner. Ow, what the heck? 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 What the heck?
probably the measuring tape. Something stabbed my friend.
Are you sure, Mom?
No, you don't. You're good. Whoa, I just touched something.
Where is it?
Found it! This.
Oh, that's to my fan. You know,
That-
fan, it's like, look, I loaded this thing up. Guess what it is? Comment for 10 seconds. 1, 2,
Guess what it
Four.
is?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a fidget spinner. So ready? Spin it. I said, shoot! What the heck? It's stuck. And now I think I can do it. Are you ready, kid? Yeah, Mr. Goldberg.
Wait, did you say Goldberg?
No, Goldberg.
You know Goldberg's a show, right?
Yeah. Okay, I don't think we need that. But the first fidget spinner in the whole entire world is this one. It has marbles. And so, look how fast it goes. It's really fast. And the other one, oh, hi, Mom.
Sorry, I'm shaking. Hold on to this. Oh. Oh.
Everybody gets
Cookies. Thank you.
So, what's that thing to do? And so,
I know it's broken. I'm not touching it.
so the next fidget.
Are you showing them the cookies?
So the next fidget spinner, I'm gonna show you like a little palm. Ready? Dude, are you showing them the cookie in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready? Here's the thing they were waiting for. It's so shiny. It's like a fidget spinner that looks like a weapon. Watch. Like, Brevin almost hit me with it. Hey, Brev, if you hear me, you're really mean. You almost hit me in the foot. And I also got...
Shout out to my friend Money Falls, but search Jeff Overby.
Are you ready? Watch. This is like a murder weapon.
Jackson, you can have the rest.
What the heck? Oh. It's cookie time.
Yeah.
In the video.
Really?
Yeah, guys. And comment and smash that like button. See you later.
Yeah.